Hey fam, time for another unboxing. It's a big box today. I'm so excited. And I just cut the box open. As you can see, let me turn this more this way. And let's see. I am really excited because this is what I've been waiting for. My sweatshirt, my zip-up hoodie. See? This is going to be nice. I got it in a medium, so it'll be nice and big, just in case it shrinks. I guess I didn't need to order it that big, but still, I'd rather have it big. It's going to be warm. It's nice and heavy, and it's got the nicely embroidered O around it, and then there's a B in there and an A. So Onlinebusinessapp, which is the name of our platform, and it also can be A for an affiliate, online business affiliate, which is where the journey starts, which is I am an affiliate right now for OBN, Online Business Network. And next we have, let's see, okay. This is in the color berry, which I really love. It's like a pink. The lighting isn't too good in here, so when I have it on, I'll probably take a picture outside. You can see it better, but that's got the embroidered A on it. Again, I got medium for everything. This is my SexyNerdz shirt in like a turquoise blue. I forget what the blue is called. It's like a pale blue, but it's really nice. And on the back, it's got the SexyNerdz girl logo, and then the front is SexyNerdz. This looks like it'll fit just right. Okay, so that color, and let's see, I think this is a tank top. Let me see, for the summer. Yes, yes, yes. I think it's my purple tank top. Okay. I can't wait till summer now. It's one of those, what do they call those? Like a racerback or something like that. And if you can see, it's like kind of cool. Like it's like that, not ripped look, but the way, I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's like how I like my tank tops. So let's see. Yep, this will be just the right size. I'm glad I got a medium. And that's the back. So it says SexyNerdz in the back in white, and then pink and white, the pink and white SexyNerdz in the front. Let's see. All right. And I got a couple more here. I ordered 2 tank tops, but I'm not sure if I think I only got 1 so far. I have so much more stuff coming. I'm like so excited. Every day is Christmas lately. Let's see. Okay. This is a purple t-shirt. And it's got the A embroidered on it. Nice. Nothing on the back. And because I love purple, so they didn't have the SexyNerdz one in purple, but SexyNerdz is like a brand within Online Business Network. So OBA, the OBA is like our main logo, and then we have the SexyNerdz, we have the Bull Runners. We keep adding more, so we'll eventually have like a lot of different logos, and people will be able to put their own logos on. Okay, this one's gray. This is going to fit nice too. SexyNerdz, and it's got the logo on the back. So that is what I got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 shirts, a tank top. Sort of a black tank top coming too, and then oh, my sweatshirt. I'm gonna put it on right now because it's a little chili. Let's see. I'll have to cut this video because I know it's getting long. Let's see. Whoops, you see my belly. Oh, horrible. I used to wear belly shirts when I was younger, but too old for that now. Yes, it's a good size. I like it. Let me hold this up. It's on a tripod, but I'm holding it up. Nice, huh? Nice, huh? Let's see. My hood. Woohoo! I didn't get my sweatpants yet, but when I have my sweatpants, and it's going to be like the same thing with the embroidered A, oh, it's going to be so cool. I'm excited. Yay. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you're looking for any merchandise like this, our store, which we are hailing as the People's, it's being hailed as the People's Amazon. It's like a combination of Amazon and OpenSea combined, because we have NFTs on it. We have apparel, we have accessories, we have phone cases, we have different household goods, mugs, different things like that, luggage, and we're going to be adding like a healthcare line. Actually, I don't want to say too much because some of the stuff we're in the process, we're getting like things added on, and I don't want to give things away that I'm not supposed to. So just know that a lot more is coming. Every week we're adding stuff. So if you want to be able to get cool merch and clothes and all sorts of stuff, be able to write it off on your taxes so you save money, and then it's a win-win, because the second win is the reason you can write it off on your taxes is because we're wearing it and we're affiliates, so it's our business. So we're wearing it and we're advertising the business. And any customers that I refer that end up for life, any purchases they make, the affiliate, we make 25% of every shopping cart total for life, the lifetime of the customer. Not like Amazon where you have 24, I forget if it's 48 or 24 hours, you're an affiliate, somebody clicks your link. If they don't buy anything within the first 24 to 48 hours, you're out of luck. You're not going to get credit as an affiliate for that 5% or whatever you make from Amazon. It's not much, not like how we have the 25%, but anyways, this is lifetime. So, I mean, if you were thinking of signing up with Amazon as an affiliate, I mean, go ahead, but definitely sign up with us. It's free to sign up, free to join, great community of entrepreneurs, heart-centered entrepreneurs, business owners, coaches, you know, all sorts of cool people that are just like you and me who, you know, are getting ready for the shift in the economy and, you know, working from home, working from anywhere, living the good life, making passive income. All right, I'm going to let you go because I have talked for long enough. If you have any questions, feel free to message me anytime, and I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.